What the f is streamer doing? Breaking Metahuman technology in Unreal Engine 5.6. What up, bitch? You can infinitely f***ing do it. Oh my god. What did he do? What did he... Am I alive? Holy dude. Look at those f***ing chicks, dude. What the f*** are these sliders? Homie, this looks insane. Homie, this looks insane. Wow. Wow. Homie, I think I broke it. Not sure what the f*** broke it. As long as they're not hanging, is good. What is this? What is this? Homie, it is using its legs as a clothing. I think we can slap it. Production ready. Homie, this is insane. I didn't even know you can... You can infinitely fucking do it. Oh my god. Homie, it's funny, but it's big. I didn't know you can do that. Oh my god. This is so cool. I love this. That's 200% hearing. Yep. This is not cursed, right? This is not cursed, right? We can... This is fine, right? Oh my god, she can sniff her fucking... Oh, wow. Teeth and eyelashes. There is a sculpt option. We were messing up to this point with the transform. There is a sculpt option. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my god. This is so impressive. You have 3 different sliders. These sliders are this. So what, you drag and drop? Yeah. You drag and drop over the existing presets so you can blend in between them. In between different face expressions. That's amazing. That's amazing. And it stays like that. It stays like that. Can we back? We can back. Symmetric manipulation. So you can turn off symmetric manipulation. And you can use only one side of the face. Nice. Everyone can do this stuff now quite easy. The thing is that metahumans, when they were launched, every single metahuman had 1 gigabyte of size. You could not use that in a game. Few months ago, 4 months ago, 6 months ago, in the Unreal Engine 5.4, they made the optimized version of the metahuman, so it is game ready. So you can actually use them in the games. The file size for the game ready fell from 1 gigabyte. Like 1 gigabyte file is like 0 LOD. This right here, 0 LOD. They added multiple LODs now, and they're way more performant. Now it's like 100 megabytes per metahuman, something like that. And you can actually use them in the game. But before, you could create a metahuman only in the quick sell bridge. That's how I made myself. Can I save and come back here? Can I save and just exit? It's right here. It's right here. You had to open the browser. Where's my metahuman? Do I need to log in? I need to log in. You had to, homie, every single little change, little adjustment that you wanted to do in your metahuman before, you had to literally go through this whole fucking process that I'm just showing you, log in, change it, and then re-download it. And you can just pray that everything works as intended. Now it's literally in the Unreal Engine, you double click, you open where you left. It's fucking insane. You're asking, wait, now everyone can use metahuman. Everyone could use metahuman before. And now it is just more convenient. Yeah, continue. Yes, continue. Done linking. Yes, next. Come on. My metahumans. Here it is. This is my metahuman. I literally scanned my face. And now I just download it. Look at this. So, every single little change that I wanted to do. Do I want mustache? Do I want to be gray hair? Do I want a clown hair? Do I want this? Do I want to do that? Every single time, I had to make a new metahuman. And generate it, and import it, and re-import it. Right? Now everything is literally in the engine. Which is fucking insane, dude. And now I can probably make myself a little bit older. I look like a fucking kid here. I actually wanna open the old metahuman just to give you the idea how shitty it used to be, dude. The resolution was garbage, the lighting was garbage. It was garbage FPS. It was just terrible, dude. This is next level. With the blending, with the transforms, with the sculpts. My god. Beyond impressive, dude. You can add more redness or whatever on the certain parts. You can import your own texture. What? You can import your own skin texture. Chat, this is big. This is big. It's not tileable. So it's one texture for the face and one texture for the face, for the body. This is still generating. This is old metahuman, by the way. This is old metahuman. You see this? How long ago did I click to go? It's still trying to figure out what the fuck to do. How do I... Homie, it has jiggle physics. Drag a folder or compatible asset here. So you will be able to make your own hairs in the Houdini and sell them on Fab, by the way. Same thing goes with the animations. You will be able to make your own animations in the Maya and sell them for the metahumans. You will also be able... No, you can. You can literally do it right now. That's the thing. You can also do the clothing exclusively for the metahumans in the Marvelous Designer. And you can sell them on Fab. And by the way, all of the clothing that is metahuman compatible will work with all of those sliders. So you will not have to worry about, oh, this clothing is way too small. This clothing is whatnot. It just works. $43 for hoodie. 30, homie, this costs more than the in real life gloves and hoodie. Are you insane? Funny thing is, I can start doing that, dude. I can start doing that right now. Do you understand, dear Skra? Why am I streaming? Why am I here? Why am I trying to get Twitch Prime? Why? Do you understand? Ah, Johnny. This one is a winner, dude. It fits perfect. Which eyelash is complementing my face, by the way? What have I done? She's alive! She lives! What did he do? Am I alive? What is this shit? What is this place? Why do I feel so off? Why nothing feels proportionate? Am I in hell? Am I a test subject? What is this? Hell? Hell? Metahuman assembly success. Moja Juanita, nabijem ja tebe na kurac, ali malo sutra. Okay. Boom. Look at her. Juanita. My God. What did I do? What did I do? Juanita. Oh my